Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to come to you tonight. I know a lot of you guys are new. You're interested in Top Step, interested in getting combine with Top Step. So we're going to run through how you open up a Top Step account, how you get a combine, all the different platforms you can use once you open up the Top Step account, and you will see us trading this account tomorrow morning, Monday. We are live Monday through Thursday on this YouTube channel, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. roughly. Those hours do change. Sometimes we do go a little long. Sometimes we might not go all the way to 10. It just kind of depends on how the market's going and what's happening. But just want to show you how to do this, walk you through real quick. So as you can see, this is the topstep.com website. Everything you need, earn funding. If you have never logged in, you go right here to earn funding. Then it shows we're going to I've already got an account, so if I do that, it kind of creates a new account, so we won't do that. You can see since 2020, they've paid out 102 million, a little over 102 million dollars. That is phenomenal. That makes them one of the tops, and they're the best. They had 67,473 traders that were funded in September. Typically, it takes at least 2 days to do. They have what's called a 50% consistency rule. So if you're trading a 50K account, 100K account, or 150K account, whatever your total balance is that you have to hit to pass that account, you can't make more than that, more than half of that in one day, is what they're saying. So could take 2 days, could take a week. My suggestion to everybody is take your time, uh, trade what's in front of you. If you can get, half of it in one day, that's great. If you can't, make smaller goals, reach your goals to get funded. It's not a marathon. I mean, it's not a sprint. This is a marathon. We're trying to get to the end. So the less time, I mean, if it takes more time, it just takes more time. That's not a big deal. Don't stress over it. You do not have to pass it in 2 days. It's just saying it's a minimum. You have to at least trade it 2 days before you can do that. So they're pretty simple. One rule, one goal, become a top trader. Pretty simple. So now we're going to go on and we're going to log in. And then we're going to hit start trading combine. I'm going to actually look at the 100K account. So this is what I was telling you about. So your goal is actually $6,000 on the 100K account. And with the consistency rule, what that means is I cannot make more than $3,000 in one single day to pass this account and get funded. If you make more than $3,000, they give you a little bit of buffer. But let's say you make $4,000. Well, now your goals went up. Now you're going to have to make $8,000 to pass it. So my suggestion to you is if you do get half of it in one day, stop trading it. Lock it out. Do not trade anymore. It benefits you in no way to go over that 3,000 per day. So I'm going to click on this. I'm doing the 100K. And it's going to take a second. A minute ago when I walked through this, it opened right up. Now that we're doing it a second time, it is not going to open. There we go. All right. So here's the broker. Here's the platforms you get to use. You have Topstep X is what I use and Roy uses on the channel. You can use Ninja Trader. You can use Tradeovate, Quintower, CTS, and ATAS. I have no clue who these two are. Never traded with them. I do know about these, but like I said, we're going to do Topstep X. That's the one we use. You're going to hit next. It's $99. So you come over here, you hit trading combine, you agree. It gives you different options. We're going to go down. We're going to select the credit card that we want to use. You can use PayPal. You can use that. Whatever works best for you. This is the agreement. You can roll down and read it. Just saying that it operates on a 30-day cycle. So if you buy this, today is the October the 20th. So if you do buy this, and if you have not passed the account by November the 20th, you will be rebilled at the $99. If some way you have broken a rule and you have failed the challenge, you've hit your max limit loss, then what it's going to do is it will reset and rebuild. So a lot of people get confused saying, hey, I should get a reset. You get a free reset throughout the month. No, you get a free reset once it rebuilds on that billing cycle. So pretty simple. If you do have a promo code, you would click it here. Topstep hadn't done a promo code in a little while, so might have one before long, but you're not always going to have it. And look, they're already discounted. $100 for it to change your future, I don't think it's too much to ask for. So we're going to complete the purchase, and it's going to ask you a couple questions once you do it about doing other things too. If you want to get level 2 data, stuff like that. So this goes here. This is another thing saying, hey, you agree to all these things. This is the Topstep trading pledge. Understand the program. We walk through this. If you do have questions, you can reach out on the YouTube channel. We will be more than happy to walk you through on how the program works, all that good stuff. And we are going to have more in-depth videos showing that. Right now, like I said, this is just a beginner video on how to get started with Topstep. Understand the risk. There is a lot of risk when trading futures. So you need to understand that coming in, that there is risk involved in this. Commit to accountability. One thing that I really love about Topstep is they reach out to you. If you have, let's say you go on tilt and you keep resetting your accounts, you're buying new accounts all on the same day, they're going to send you an email like, hey, might need to slow it down. Are you on tilt? Are you doing something that you shouldn't be doing? So watch that. And they're dedicated to development. This is another thing that I really love about Topstep. They want the traders to succeed. Their goal is to move you to a live account. Once you move to a live account, you're actually making them money and making yourself money. That is their ultimate goal. They're not in this just to sell the combines and make money off the people that never pass. They want you to pass, and they want to move you to a live account where you and Topstep are both making money. So at this point, I'm going to agree to it. Once I agree, here we are. Here's the new account. It's ready to go. Right. Topstep's website is a little slow sometimes, so you have to bear with that some, but this is where we're at. And then this is where you'll find all your accounts. There's a drop down box here where you can click on whichever account you want to. It's going to give you, oh, here it was. We're talking about do you want to upgrade market data subscription? I don't want to upgrade that. I already have it. So I'm going to decline it. But it tells you, all right, here's where every day when you come in, you'll look, here will be your high. This is how your account goes. This will be where your account's sitting at currently, and this will be your low. So right now, since we hadn't traded this account, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. This gives you your weekly P&L, which shows you where you're sitting for the week. This is for your consistent rule, so it shows your best day percent of total profit. You just want this after 2 days to not be any higher than 50%. Gives your best day, your worst day, your average rate, average winning day, average losing trade day. Here is going to give you a little bar chart to get to 6,000. Like I said, if you go over the consistency rule, this number will raise up. Best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. That's what we're talking about. And then do not let your account balance hit or go below $97,000. That's a $3,000 limit there, right? Another thing that I really like about Topstep is they calculate that that max loss limit at end of the day. It does not trail you up and down throughout the day while you're in a trade. So make sure that you do that. You pay attention to that. And like I said, once you get it open, it'll give you a chart here that shows you your profits, and it'll break it down to a lot of different things. So hope this helps. Hope you get a lot of stuff from this. Hope it helps you out. Hope to see you guys in the stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And until then, safe trading, and we will see you guys here soon.